Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week I grabbed another of my Spartans for Halo Flashpoint. This is probably the last one from the core box as the second wave of minis are here and I want to get them started. I'm going for a two-tone colour scheme this time around with a mixture of yellow and blue. I was originally going for gold and blue, but none of my other Spartans are metallic, so this one would look a bit weird if I done it in gold. With all that in mind, I start off with the undersuit and the rifle using deep grey as the mid-tone. I went around everything and left the black primer just in the recesses and where the shadows would be darkest. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on, or just hang out and chat. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. Now let's get back to the painting with the highlight over the undersuit and rifle using uniform grey. While this is a highlight over the undersuit, it's just covering the edges and the panels. On the rifle, it's more of a mid-tone covering a much larger area, just leaving those recesses that darker tone. To finish up the rifle and a small dot highlight on a few parts of the undersuit, I went with blue-grey. The sharper corners on the undersuit get that spot highlight, while the rifle, this is more of an edge highlight and areas directly in the light. Moving on to the armour now, I start off with the yellow parts, all getting a base coat of British Khaki, which for some reason took a couple of coats to cover. Normally it covers better than this, I might have just thinned it down a little bit too much. I hadn't decided which parts will be yellow and which will be blue at this point, so a lot of this step is just making those decisions as I go. Moving into the main colour, I grabbed golden brown, which is a lot more yellow than British Khaki. This is what really pushes everything towards that correct tone. I went over the bulk of the armour again, just leaving that British Khaki in the recesses between the panels for that golden shadow colour. With this being a yellow, it does take a few coats to get up to the brightness that I want. Finishing off the yellow, I added a highlight with Volcanic yellow over all of the panels that will be in the light, with those being high up towards the mini getting a second coat just to push that brightness even further. With the yellow parts of the armour now finished, I can move on to the blue parts, starting off with a couple of coats of marine blue. You can probably get away with a single coat for this, but I want that blue to be nice and vibrant next to that yellow. To start pushing the mid-tone a little further, I mixed in some magic blue and go around a lot of the panels that will be in the light, building them up slightly to put a gradient towards the top of the mini. The final touch-ups across these parts are done using pure magic blue, just brightening up these areas a little bit more and an edge highlight on the areas that are in the light. That brings the armour to an end, so now I can get the base started with a once over of Scabbard brown just to get that base tone down and the rim done. I've done the same grassy base on all of my Halo Flashpoint minis so far. I think this should really be the last grassy base, and the next fire routine will be done in a different environment. It will probably be that bluish metal on the other side of the board, But if you have any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below and I'll see what I can do with them as well. While I'm waiting for the base to dry, I used Oblivion Blackwash to go over all of the undersuit and the rifle. This just darkens everything down a little bit and helps blend them back together to that background. There is no real reason for the undersuit to be pulling attention, so giving it this dark wash pushes all that armor color back down a little bit more. After waiting longer than I thought I would have to for the base to dry, I came in with Dusty Skull just to dry brush over the texture paste. I've never used this color before, so I wanted to find out how it looks. It's pretty much just a darker skeleton bone, which looking at the bottle now makes perfect sense. It's part of the same color set. Although because of that, it lacks a little bit of punch when I used on the base. To fix that, I used a thin down soft tone over the base again. Since I had this out, I also carefully went around the yellow parts just so that they blend in a little bit more and darkens down those recesses a touch. And that would be it for the Mark VII Spartan. The armor came out very bright and looks like something you would see in multiplayer. Wasn't too sure about the color choice on this one though. Blue and yellow go okay together, but it's almost 50-50, which doesn't normally turn out that great. I think I'm going to need to try a few more weirder color combinations on these future Spartans just to see how they do. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You'll also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can come hang out, chat and share anything you have been hobbying on. For those of you who want to pick up Halo Flashpoint or just some painting supplies, there are a couple of affiliate links in the description below, where I get a little bit of kickback at no extra cost to yourselves. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.